I'm going to do another unboxing of another Hermes product that I picked up recently, and I've already untied the ribbon, which is as you can see, the 2021 ribbon from Hermes. So from the size of the box, can you tell what this is? It's not a card holder, but I heard really pretty good reviews about this piece, so I'm pretty excited. So let's get down to it. Okay, so it comes in a dust bag like this. Could you figure out what this is by now? And again, this is an Etoupe color with the white color contrast stitching. And yep, it's the belt, and this is the Kelly belt. And actually, for the hardware, it comes in two protection pockets such as this. This is really cute. So this is to protect the hardware, and I really like, generally speaking, I'm quite new to this brand, but so far all the Kelly designs, I found them really pretty and cute, and I like almost all of them. I have a few Kelly, I'm trying out a few other Kelly products, but so far from what I see on the website and in store, every time there is a Kelly product, I do get very tempted. So this is the Kelly belt in 18 in Etoupe Epsom, and this is the hardware is in rose gold. So this is really the combination that I really wanted. I mean, a black belt is also a classic, but I guess Etoupe is such a Hermes color. It's the perfect, I mean, if I go to Chanel, I'll definitely pick a black as a classic, but for Hermes, I feel that it's either the black or the Etoupe is equally classic as well. I haven't removed the sticker yet, as you might not know, but if you watch my previous videos, I typically start removing the stickers after about 2 weeks to a month. And the reason is because when I first wear it, I don't know where it bumps and how to get used to the product, so it's to prevent scratches, and after 2 weeks I'm very used to the product, I'll just remove it. So this is an Epsom leather. As you can see, Epsom typically they have this embossed print on it, and the reason that I really like this belt is that most belts are too big for me, and that's why I never ever even have a belt. I don't wear belts, but when I knew that this is adjustable, I decided to go for it because I can adjust it based on how I want to wear it, whether I want to wear it high-waisted, to tighten my jeans, or for clothes that are too tight. So this is really perfect and suitable for my lifestyle. And once again, I mean, look at it, it's lovely, isn't it? And I picked this up. This is really, I'm very happy with this piece so far. And I would say that if you have to get something from Hermes and you're not sure what is worth it, for now, I think I had this for about a week now, and so far I'm not regretting this purchase. There have been instances when I do luxury shopping, and when I get home I ask myself, oh shit, what did I just do, or what did I get myself into? Because for the same amount of money, I do invest. So I can actually invest money in crypto, in bonds, in stocks, in P2P, or keep it as emergency cash. So for every dollar of money that I actually put into luxury good, I do think about it. I got this because number one, I have no belt, and number two, I need something that's adjustable because I'm quite skinny. Okay, I am skinny, and I mean, no skinny shaming, but not everything fits me, especially from the Caucasian Western brands. So yeah, this is my recent purchase, and I'm really loving it so far. And if I were to compare this Epsom with leather, which is an Etoupe color, with my previous haul, which is this 12 citizen card case, this is also an Epsom as well. I mean, this is an Etoupe color as well, but this is in Swift leather. So if you compare between the two, you can see that this is a bit more, the grains are smaller. If you put side by side, you can see the dots, like the prints here. It's actually embossed artificially, whereas this is smoother, and to the touch this is also smoother as well. The color is actually, I would say, pretty similar, but this is coming out a bit richer, so I really like how this feels so far. And for Swift leather, I don't really have, the only complaint or really one con about it that people say is that you might get scratches easily, but I heard that you can actually buff it out. So actually I had my first mark here. I'm not sure if the camera can pick it up. I had my first marking here as well because I was carrying this with my Never Full, and you know Never LV is has known for its very hardy canvas product, so naturally this will get scratched. So what I've done is that I was buffing it out my finger, and this is actually almost 80% gone. So from far at certain angles you can't even tell it is there, but if I want to get a sense of the leather, how the same color appears on different leather, this is a good way to tell. And so far I think my favorite color, I mean other than black, which is a classic, Etoupe, I really like Etoupe. Another color is the mauve color, and I'm actually really liking Swift leather, believe it or not, even though a lot of people say, oh, Swift require a lot of maintenance and care, but maybe that's just me because most of my Chanel bags are also in lambskin. It just feels a lot and looks a lot larger, whereas to the touch, and it's pretty calming. Like on a stressful work day, you just like you just touch it and you feel a bit, it's touch therapy. Okay, I'm getting a bit rambling here, so I think I shall end the video. Let me know if any questions, or if you're I'm not sure how easy or how hard it is to score a Kelly belt. Let me know down in the comments below whether you have a Kelly belt, whether it's hard or easy to get and where you are located in. How hard or how easy to get, I'm not sure, but do let me know down in the comments below. But if I'm not mistaken, you can actually order this from the website, so if you really want it, just get it from the website. But I guess if you're building a profile, you will always want the store boutique to have it. And that's my haul video today for Hermes. Hope everyone have a good weekend, and thanks for watching. Bye.